Hope you are doing good today, folks. I am also doing fine. Excellent today. I have got you this TVS Sport bike today. Features are nice of it. Features our TVS Sport features our halogen headlamp setup. You get halogen headlamp setup in it. You get TVS badging. You get halogen headlamp setup. You get deeper. You get deeper as well. Front and rear disc brake. Halogen headlamp setup. Analog console. TVS badging also you get over here. Good TVS badging is over here. Quality is good of the badging. Halogen headlamp setup you get over here. Halogen headlamp setup you get over here. Yeah. Halogen headlamp setup you get. Tires you get. Bike is good. Digital console you have over here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 kilometer TVS badging. Digital console is also good. Features are for 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 kilometer. Power option is there. EF option is there. Lock on feature is there. Practical features console there is folks in this. Digital console is practical. All the practical features, TVS badging also is over here. Good TVS badging is over here. Features are nice. Sport badging. Helmets are also here. Helmets are here. Sport badging is over here. Sport badging is also over here. Sport badging is also over here. Back you have halogen headlamp setup. Back you have halogen headlamp setup. Sport badging. Bike is good folks. Go for this TVS Sport bike. Features are also nice. Quality is also good. Top rated features you will get in this bike. All the genuine features you will get. Sport badging is also there. Sport badging is over here. Yeah. Halogen headlamp setup over here. Halogen headlamp setup over here. Yeah. Quality is good.